ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች እንዲሁም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ፓርት 2 ለ12ኛ ክፍል የመልቀቂያ ፈተና እንድትዘጋጁ ማለት ነው የሚያስችሏችሁን የመለማመጃ ጥያቄዎች ይዤላችሁ ቀርብ ያለሁኝ። ጥያቄዎችን በጋራ እንሰራለን። ያው እንግዲህ መጀመሪያ ላይ እናንተ ጥያቄዎቹን መመለስ ይገባችኋል። የመለሳችሁትን መልስ ደግሞ ከሚሰጠው መልስ ጋር የተገናኘ ወይም በትክክል መመለሳችሁን እያረጋግጣችሁ ትሄዳላችሁ። ከዛ በፊት ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ማለት ነው ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉት በዚህ አጋጣሚ ጠይቃችኋለሁ። አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ ስንሄድ 35 ጥያቄዎች አሉ። 60 ደቂቃ ይወስዳል ብለን ብናስብ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በተገቢው መንገድ በእውቀት ላይ ተመስርታችሁ ከመለሳችሁ ማለት ነው ለማትሪክ የበለጠ እየተዘጋጃችሁ እንደሆነ ልትረዱ ይገባል። አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ ነው የምንሄደው። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ which of the following is the determinant of aggregate demand? Availability of credit, cost of input, strategy of state of technology, change in productivity። የምታስታውሱ ከሆነ ስለ ዲተርሚናንት ኦፍ አግሪጌት ዲማንድ ተማምረናል። በተመሳሳይ መንገድ ዲተርሚናንት ኦፍ አግሪጌት ሳፕላይ አለ። እነዛንም ማወቅ ይኖርባቸዋል። ለአግሪጌት ዲማንድ ዲተርሚናንት ፋክተር የሚሆነው ከቀረቡት አማራጮች ውስጥ የትኛው እንደሆነ አሁን አብረን እንለይ። የእናንተ መልስ አመሰግናለሁ። ትክክለኛ ምላሽ እንደመለሳችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ትክክለኛው መልስ አቬይላቢሊቲ ኦፍ ክሬዲት ነው የሚሆነው። እንደ ኤክስፕላኔሽን መያዝ ያለባችሁ ማለት ነው። availability of credits a key determinant of aggregate demand, which credits essentially accessible and affordable. It directly impacts both household consumption and business investment. Households are more likely to borrow for large purchases like cars or homes, boosting consumer spending. Firms can secure loans more readily for capital expansion and new projects, increasing investments. This increased components of demand or consumption and investment directly cause the aggregate demand curve to shift. Option B, C, and D, cost of input, state of technology, change in productivity are primarily determinant of aggregate supply, not aggregate demand ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማወቅ ያለባችሁ አግሪጌት ዲማንድ እና አግሪጌት ሳፕላይን ጎን ለጎን አስቀምጣችሁ ለአግሪጌት ሳፕላይ ዲተርሚናንት እነማን ናቸው፣ ለአግሪጌት ዲማንድ ደግሞ ዲተርሚናንት ፋክተር የሚሆኑ የትኞቹ ናቸው ብላችሁ ለይታችሁ ማወቅ ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ what is the effect of an exogenous increase in government spending ነው የሚል aggregate demand shifts to the right, increasing both output and price level. Aggregate demand shifts to the left, increasing both output and price level. Aggregate demand shifts to the left, decreasing output and increasing price level. Aggregate demand shifts to the right, increasing output but decreasing price level ነው የሚለው። ስለዚህ እናንተ መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው ለሁለተኛው መልስ ትክክለኛው ምላሽ ሊሆን የሚችለው የመጀመሪያው ነው። ኤክስፕሌንድ ሲደረግ an exogenous increase in government spending directly boosts the component of aggregate demand. This leads to rightward shift of the aggregate demand curve. Assuming an upward sloping short-run aggregate supply curve, this shifts the result increase in the overall output or GDP. Concurrently, The increased demand puts upward pressure on price, leading to a higher price level in the economy. ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ which of the following is correct about factors affecting aggregate supply? ተራ ቁጥር አንድ ላይ የተጠየቀውን ጥያቄ ታስታውሳላችሁ። አሁን ደግሞ የተጠየቃችሁት factors affecting aggregate supply or determinants of aggregate supply የሚል ነው። Higher price of imported raw materials leads to firm to produce more. Lower demand for commodities in the market initiates firms to produce more. Subsidizing domestic industry in technology leads to decreased production. Qualified high managerial ability leads to firms to produce more production. ለሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ትክክለኛ መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው qualified high managerial ability to firm to produce more production. Qualified high managerial ability represents an improvement in the quality factor of production, specifically human capital and entrepreneurship. ስለዚህ human capital እና entrepreneurship የqualified high managerial ability for quality of production ጠቃሚ እንደሆኑ መረዳት። Better management leads to more efficient resource allocation and improved productivity. የተሻለ አስተዳደር አመራር በተለይ ሀብትን በተገቢ መንገድ በብቃት መመደብ እና ምርትን ለማሻሻል እድል ስለሚሰጥ ማለት ነው። This reduction in the production cost and increasing efficiency allows firms to produce greater quantity of goods and service at any given price level. Consequently, it leads to an increase in aggregate supply. አራተኛ ጥያቄ among the following statements, which one is correct about the short-run aggregate supply curve? It shows the quantity demanded at different price level, ceteris paribus. It reveals that a price level rises, firms decrease the quantity supplies of goods. It shows the quantity supplied of output at various price level, ceteris paribus. It reveals that a price level drops, firms increase the quantity supplied of goods. ስለዚህ ለሾርት ረን አግሪጌት ሳፕላይ ከርቭ ትክክለኛ የሆነው አማራጭ የትኛው እንደሆነ መምረጥ ይጠበቅባቸዋል። ስለዚህ ሾርት ረን አግሪጌት ሳፕላይ ከርቭ ምንነትን በሚገባ መረዳት የቻለ ትክክለኛውን መልስ በዚህን ሰዓት መመለስ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ትክክለኛው መልስ የሚሆነው it shows the quantity supplied of output at various price level or ceteris paribus. Explanation: the short-run aggregate supply curve illustrates the positive relation between the overall price level and the total quantity of goods and services firms are willing to supply it. Despite the quantity of output supplied by all firms different price levels, assuming other factors remains constant, ceteris paribus. As the price level rises, firms find it more profitable to increase production, leading to an upward sloping short-run aggregate supply curve. Conversely, if the price level drops, firms reduce the quantity of supplied. ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር መረዳት የምንችለው ዋጋ በጨመረ ቁጥር ፊርም ወይም የቢዝነስ ተቋማት ወይም አምራቾች ምርታቸውን ማምረት ይጨምራሉ ማለት ነው። ያም የተሻለ ፕሮፊት ለማግኘት ፕራይስ ሌቭል ደግሞ ድሮፕ ሲያደርግ ሲወርድ በተመሳሳይ መንገድ ፕሮዳክሽን ይቀንሳሉ፣ ወደ ማርኬት የሚቀርበው በዛው ልክ ይቀንሳል ማለት ነው። አምስተኛ ጥያቄ which one is following true about short-run equilibrium in the economy ሚል ነው። The occurrence of shortage of a good leads to firm decrease output and consumption decreases consumption. It's the intersection of aggregate demand and aggregate supply. The occurrence of surplus of goods leads to firm decrease output and consumption increase consumption. It's the intersection of long run and short run aggregate supply curve. ስለ ሾርት ረን ኢኩሊብረም ኢን ዘ ኢኮኖሚ እንግዲህ ሾርት ረን ኢኩሊብረም ሎንግ ረን ኢኩሊብረም ምንድን ነው የሚለውን መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ የተቀመጠ ስለሆነ በሚገባ ማወቅ መረዳት ይኖርባችኋል ማለት ነው። ሁል ጊዜ ኢኩሊብረም ሲነሳ ምን ሊፈጠር እንደሚችል ማወቅ ይረዳል። ስለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ the intersection of aggregate demand and aggregate supply in short-run equilibrium. Short-run equilibrium in the economy occurs at the point where aggregate demand curve intersects the short-run aggregate supply curve. This intersection determines the prevailing equilibrium price level and the GDP output for the economy. At this point, the total quantity of a good and service demanded by all sectors equals the total quantity supplied by firm. Option A and C describes adjustment during period of disequilibrium. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ማወቅ ያለባችሁ ከተሰጠው ምርጫ አንፃር ማለት ነው ኦፕሽን ኤ እና ኦፕሽን ሲ አጀስትመንት ነው ማስተካከያ ነው። ዲሲኩሊብረም ሲያጋጥም ምን አይነት ማስተካከያ ይወሰዳል ቢባል ኤ ኤንድ ሲ እንደ ኦፕሽን ይወሰዳል። Note the definition of equilibrium itself. Option D describes relation between supply curve which is not the definition of ኢኩሊብረም። ስለዚህ ኦፕሽን ዲ የሰፕላይ ከርቭ ነው እንጂ የሚያስረዳው የኢኩሊብረምን ትርጉም የሚይዝ አይደለም ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛ ጥያቄ suppose the price level changes from the equilibrium of aggregate demand and short-run aggregate supply in an economy. Which of the following is true about result? At a lower price level, there will be surplus and the price level decrease. At the higher price level, there will be shortage and the price level increase. At a lower price level, there will be shortage and the price level arise. At higher price level, there will be surplus and the price level increase. ስለዚህ ኮንሴፕቱን በሚገባ መረዳት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ትክክለኛው መልስ የሚሆነው at lower price level there will be shortage and the price level rise የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። explain ሲደረግ at lower price level the equilibrium the quantity of aggregate demand is greater than the quantity of short-run aggregate supply. The imbalance results in the shortage of goods and services in the economy. When there is shortage, consumers are willing to pay more. እጥረት ሲያጋጥም ሾርቴጅ ሲያጋጥም ሸማቾች በከፍተኛ ዋጋ ለማውጣት ይገደዳሉ። and firm have an incentive to increase their price. ፊርምም ዋጋ ለመጨመር ይገደዳል። Consequently, the price level will rise towards the equilibrium point to eliminate the shortage. ሰባተኛ ጥያቄ which of the following statements correctly describe market failure? የገበያ ስብራት ወይም ፌለር የምንለውን የትኛው ነው በትክክል ሊገልጽ የሚችለው ነው የሚለው the individual incentives for rational behavior leads to rational outcome for the group. The price mechanism accounts for all the costs and benefits to provide and consume a good. The steady state equilibrium in which quantity supplied is equal to quantity demand. The efficient distribution of goods and services in the market. ትክክለኛው መልስ the inefficient distribution of goods and services in the market የሚለው አማራጭ ለማርኬት ፌለር ትክክለኛ ምርጫ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Market failure signifies an efficient distribution of goods and services within a free market. This occurs when the market mechanism fails to allocate resources in a way that mechanisms overall social welfare. It implies the quantity of goods produced or consumed is either too much or too little from society perspective. Common causes includes externality, public goods, and information asymmetry. Therefore, the free market does not achieve an optimal outcome የሚባለው ለዚህ ነው ማለት ነው። ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is the solution for the market failure caused by a firm that pollute a river? አንድ ፊርም ወንዝን ቢበክል እና ማርኬት ፌለር ቢያጋጥም ኮዝ ሊሆን የሚችለው ምንድን ነው? ሶሉሽን ለማርኬት ለገጠመው ስብራት ማለት ነው። ታክሲንግ the polluted firm, subsidizing the polluting firm, encouraging the polluting firm, renting the polluted river. ትክክለኛው መልስ ምንድን ነው? ሶሉሽን ሊሆን የሚችለው ታክስ ዘ ፖሊቲንግ ፊርም የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፖሉሽን ሪፕሬዘንትስ ኔጌቲቭ ኤክስተርናሊቲ፣ ብክለት አሉታዊ ተጽዕኖ ኦር ኤክስተርናሊቲ አለው። ዌር ዘ ፊርም ኮስትስ ኦን ሶሳይቲ ኖት ሪፍሌክቲንግ ኢትስ ፕሮዳክሽን ፕራይስ ኤ ታክስ ኦን ዘ ፖሊቲንግ ፊርም ኖን አዝ ፖጊቪያን ታክስ ይባላል። ኤ ታክስ ኦን ዘ ፖሊቲንግ ፊርም ብክለት የበከለውን ፊርም ወይም የቢዝነስ ተቋም ወይም ድርጅት ታክስ ማድረግ ፒጎቪያን ታክስ ይባላል። ፎርስ ዛት ካምፓኒ ቱ ኢንተርናላይዝ ዜር ኤክስተርናል ኮስት ዚስ ሜክስ ፖሊቲንግ ሞር ኤክስፔንሲቭ ዜርፎር ዲስከሬጂንግ ዘ ፊርም ፍሮም ጀነሬቲንግ ኤክሰሲቭ ፖሉሽን ኢት ኢንከሬጅስ ዘ ፊርም ቱ ሬዲዩስ ኢትስ ኤንቫይሮንመንታል ኢምፓክት ሙቪንግ ቱዋርድስ ዘ ሞር ሶሻሊ ኦፕቲማል outcome። ዘጠነኛው ጥያቄ which of the following explains the free rider problem in an economy? ስለ free rider problem ተማምረናል። which one of the following that explain free rider problem in an economy? Free ridership is a problem that arises due to excludable nature of public goods. Individuals get the benefits of public goods without contributing any to the cost. Allow individuals have the incentive to pay for the public good. The free rider problem enables the market to operate efficiently for public goods. ትክክለኛው መልስ individual get the benefits of goods public goods የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ the free rider problem ዲስክራይብ የሚያደርገው ይህን ይመስላል። ማንበብ ትችላላችሁ ይሄንን። አስረኛ among the following alternatives which one represents positive externality? ከተሰጡት አማራጮች ውስጥ ፖዚቲቭ ኤክስተርናሊቲን የሚገልጸው የትኛው ነው? playing loud music in the neighborhood, smoking in public place, vaccination program in neighborhood, overgrazing cows in common pasture lands. ፖዚቲቭ ኤክስተርናሊቲ የምንለው ሪፕሬዘንት ሊያደርግ የሚችለው ምንድን ነው? ቫክሲኔሽን ፕሮግራም ኢን ዘ ኔበርሁድ ማለት ነው። ፕሌይንግ ላውድ ሚውዚክ፣ ስሞኪንግ ኢን ፐብሊክ ፕሌስ፣ ኦቨርግሬዚንግ ካውስ እነዚህ ምንድን ናቸው? ኔጌቲቭ ኤክስተርናሊቲ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ፖዚቲቭ ኤክስተርናሊቲ ሊሆን የሚችለው ቫክሲኔሽን ፕሮግራም ኢን ዘ ኔበርሁድ የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 11ኛ ጥያቄ asymmetric information is a situation when buyers and sellers have different types of information. Buyers and sellers have the same type of information. Buyers and sellers want to be free riders. Buyers and sellers lack agreement on the price. ስለ asymmetric information ትክክለኛው መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው buyers and sellers have different types of information። ገዢዎች እና ሻጮች ስለሚገዙት ዕቃ ወይም አገልግሎት የተለያየ አይነት ሀሳብ ሲኖራቸው ማለት ነው። አሲሜትሪክ ኢንፎርሜሽን ምንድን ነው የሚለው ከዚህም በፊት ቪዲዮ ላይ ስለሰራን መመልከት ትችላላችሁ። 12ኛ ጥያቄ when an individual builds on their skills by acquiring more education or training, the individual is trying to free rider the employer, screen the employer, create externality for the employer, signal to the employer. አንድ ግለሰብ በትምህርት ወይም በስልጠና ስኪል አኳየር ቢያደርግ ኢንዲቪጁዋሉ ምን እያገኘ ነው? ሲግናል ቱ the employer. When an individual acquires more education or training, they are use it as a form of signal. The signal conveys valuable information to potential employers. It indicates the individual underlying ability, diligence, and commitment to personal development. Employers interpret these credentials as evidence of higher productivity and suitability for a role. This helps distinguish them in the competitive labor market. 13ኛ why is necessary to the need of for consumer protection? Why is it necessarily the need for the consumer protection? ስለ consumer protection ተማምረናል። Consumers often do not exercise their rights. Sellers compete with each other aggressively. Consumers' interests and business survival are unrelated. Consumers have the same information as sellers. ትክክለኛው መልስ consumers does not exercise the right. ሸማቾች መብትና ግዴታቸውን በሚገባ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ወይም መብታቸውን ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ ስለማይችሉ ኮንሱመር ፕሮቴክሽን ወይም የሸማች ጥበቃ አስፈልገዋል ማለት ነው። 14ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is among the general objectives of macroeconomic policy? ማክሮኢኮኖሚክ ፖሊሲ ተማምረናል። ኦብጀክቲቮቹ ምን እንደሆኑ እናውቃለን። ስለዚህ ኮስት ሚኒማይዜሽን፣ ኢንካም ኢኒኳሊቲ፣ ሄልዚ ባላንስ ኦፍ ፔይመንት፣ ፕሮፊት ማክሲማይዜሽን። ትክክለኛው መልስ ሄልዚ ባላንስ ኦፍ ፔይመንት። Healthy balance of payment is a key general objective of macroeconomic policy. This aims for sustainable international trade and financial flows, avoiding large deficits or surpluses that could stabilize the economy. Option A, cost minimization, and D, profit maximization are objectives for individual firms or microeconomics. Option B, income inequality is a problem macroeconomic policy tries to address, not an objective by itself. Macroeconomic policy seeks stability, growth, full employment, and price stability. ሌላ ጥያቄ 15 among the following alternatives which one is a monetary policy tool? ከተሰጡት ውስጥ የሞኔታሪ ፖሊሲ ቱል የትኛው ነው የሚል ጥያቄ ነው። ታክሴሽን፣ ዲስካውንት ሬት፣ ትራንስፈር ፔይመንትስ፣ ግራንትስ ኢን ኤድ። ትክክለኛው መልስ ዲስካውንት ሬት። ዲስካውንት ሬት is primary monetary policy tool. It represents the interest rate at which commercial banks borrow funds directly from the central bank. Adjusting the rate influences the cost of borrowing for banks, thereby impacting over all interest rates and the money supply in the economy. Option A, taxation, and C, transfer payments, and D, grants and aid are all instruments of fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is managed by the government to influence the economy through spending and revenue, not by the central ባንክ። 16ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is not a financial sector reform components of macroeconomic reform of the homegrown economic reform? Reduce the supply of credit to the private sector, promote market-based interest rates, strengthen the capacity of National Bank of Ethiopia, establish and expand capital market. ትክክለኛው መልስ reduce the supply of credit to private sector. ሌሎቹ የማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ ሪፎርም አካል ናቸው። reducing the supply of credit to the private sector is not typical component of financial sector reform aimed at economic growth. A reform like Ethiopia's homegrown economy reform generally seeks to enhance credit availability and efficiency for private sector, promoting market-based interest rate, strengthening National Bank of Ethiopia, and establishing or expanding capital market, and are all standard financial sector reform. 17ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is an advantage of physical decentralization? የፊዚካል ዲሴንትራላይዜሽን አድቫንቴጅ የትኛው ነው? ሎካል ኤክስተርናሊቲ፣ ኢንኤፊሽንት ታክስ ሲስተም፣ ኢንኤፌክቲቭነስ ኦፍ ሪዲስትሪቢዩቲንግ ፕሮግራም፣ ፎስተሪንግ ኢንተርገቨርንመንታል ኮምፒቲሽን። ትክክለኛው መልስ ፎስተሪንግ ኢንተርገቨርንመንታል ኮምፒቲሽን። ስለ ፊዚካል ዲሴንትራላይዜሽን አድቫንቴጅ እና ዲስአድቫንቴጅ ተማምረናል። እነዛን በሚገባ ማወቅ ይኖርባችኋል ማለት ነው። ፊዚካል ዲሴንትራላይዜሽን allows different local government to compete. This intergovernmental competition encourages local authorities to provide public service more efficiently and effectively. It can lead to innovation in service delivery and better resource allocation. Local governments strive to attract residents and business by offering superior service or more attractive physical policy. This competition ultimately benefits citizens through improved governance and greater responsiveness to local needs. Question 1.8 18ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is true regarding the link between population growth and the environment? የፖፑሌሽን ግሮዝ እና ኢንቫይሮንመንት ሊንኬጁ ትክክለኛ የሆነው የትኛው ነው? Rapid population growth reduces disuse unemployment and increase per capita productivity. Rapid population growth accompanied by heavy rural urban migration could lead to urban pollution. Rapid population growth leads to capital formation and accelerated rural development due to high propensity to save and invest. Rapid population growth enables improvement in land to main ratio due to the elastic supply of land. ትክክለኛው መልስ rapid population growth accompanied by heavy rural urban migration could lead to urban pollution. 19ኛው ጥያቄ rural development is a strategy focused capital intensive resource, technology intensive resource, increase rural urban migration, the utilization of natural resource. The utilization of natural resource የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። which one of the following best describe climate change? ስለ climate change በትክክል የተገለጸው የትኛው ነው? ሀያኛ ጥያቄ persistent variation in the mean state of climate, short-lived change in the weather from day to day, a decline forest coverage through deforestation, release of greenhouse gas into the atmosphere. ትክክለኛው መልስ persistent variation in the mean state of climate። ስለ climate change ተማምረናል። Climate change refers to long-term and significant shift or persistent variation in the mean state of Earth's climate. Climate change እና ዌዘር ልዩነታቸውን ተማምረናል። ስለዚህ climate change long run ነው፣ ዌዘር short run ነው። This includes changes in temperature, precipitation, pattern, and extreme weather events over extended periods, typical decades or centuries. Option B describes daily weather, not the long run or long-term climate. Option C, deforestation and D, greenhouse gas release are major cause or contributors to human-induced climate change, but they are not the definition of phenomena itself. Climate change is the observed outcome of that and other factors affecting the global climate system over extended time frame. አንደኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is true about income policy? It stabilizes wage and price, it facilitates money supply, it stabilizes the interest rate, it encourages reduction of tax. ስለ ኢንካም ፖሊሲ መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ አለ። ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የሚለውን ትክክለኛው መልስ it stabilizes wage and price. Income policy refers government measures designed to directly influence the determination of income. This primarily includes controlling the growth of wages and price within an economy. The main objective to achieve economic stability, particularly to combating inflation, by managing income increase seeks to prevent wage price spiral, where rising wage leads to higher prices, which in turn leads to demands for even higher wages. Therefore, the income policy aims to stabilize both wages and prices as key anti-inflationary measure, distinct from monetary policy which deals with money supply and interest rate. Consider the market for TAFE. What will be the impact of government imposition of price floor? ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ነው። ስለ ፕራይስ ፍሎር፣ ስለ ፕራይስ ሲሊንግ መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ በደንብ የተቀመጠ ስለሆነ አሁን እዚህ ላይ ግን የተጠየቃችሁት ስለ ፕራይስ ፍሎር ነው። The price floor is below the equilibrium price of TAFE, resulting in shortage of TAFE. The price floor is above the equilibrium price of TAFE, resulting in shortage of TAFE. The price floor is below the equilibrium price of TAFE, resulting in surplus of TAFE. The price floor is above the equilibrium price of TAFE, resulting in surplus of TAFE ይላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንዳያሻማችሁ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ማየት ይጠበቅባችኋል። ለዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ the price floor is above the equilibrium price of TAFE, resulting in surplus of TAFE. ስለዚህ ስለ ፕራይስ ፍሎር የሚያወራው ትክክለኛ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ፕራይስ ፍሎር ምንድን ነው? ኢትስ ገቨርንመንት ኢምፖዝድ ሚኒመም ሌጋል ፕራይስ ነው። ፕራይስ ፍሎር በመንግስት ኢንተርቬንሽን ወይም መንግስት ጣልቃ ገብቶ ሚኒመም ሌጋል ፕራይስ ሴት ሲያደርግ ማለት ነው። ፎር ኤ ፕራይስ ፍሎር ቱ ቢ ኢፌክቲቭ ኤንድ ኢምፓክት ኦን ዘ ማርኬት ኢት መስት ቢ ሴት አበቭ ዘ ኢኩሊብሪየም ፕራይስ ኦፍ TAFE. At this artificially high price, the quantity of TAFE that producers are willing to supply will exceed the quantity consumers are willing to demand. The imbalance results in the market surplus of TAFE as more is supplied than purchased. The government may need to purchase the excess supply or implement other measures to manage the surplus created by the price floor intervention in the market. ስለዚህ ፕራይስ ፍሎርን በዚህ መንገድ ከተረዳን ፕራይስ ሲሊንግ ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የሚለውን በሚገባ ማወቅ ይኖርባቸዋል። 23ኛ ጥያቄ in market for labor the wage rate is determined such as the demand of labor is greater than supply of labor, perfect costless information and labor mobility, the government sets the minimum wage, the supply of labor is greater than the demand for labor. In free market for labor የሰው ጉልበት ወይም ሰው በማርኬት ሌበር ላይ ማለት ነው the wage rate is determined such that perfect costless information and labor mobility የሚለው ነው የሚሆነው። እንግዲህ in free market for labor በነፃ ገበያ ማለት ነው the wage rate determined by the intersection of supply and demand wage ሬቱ ዲተርማይን የሚደረገው በሳፕላይ እና በዲማንድ ኢንተርሴክሽን ነው ወይም ኢኩሊብረም ማለት ነው። for the market to operate efficiently and determine an equilibrium wage certain conditions are assumed. These conditions include perfect costless information enabling workers and firms to make informed decisions. Additional labor mobility ensures workers can move to where demand is highest. These assumptions are fundamental to the perfect competitive free labor market, allowing wages to accurately reflect market force. In equilibrium, the quantity of labor demand equals the quantity supplied. Note the imbalance described in option A and D. 24ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is the disadvantage of floating exchange rate regime? ስለ floating exchange rate regime advantage እና disadvantage ተማምረናል። በተመሳሳይ መንገድ ስለ ፊክስድ ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት አድቫንቴጅ እና ዲስአድቫንቴጅ ፕላስ ትርጉሞችንም ኢቨን ጭምር ተማምረናል። ስለዚህ አሁን የተጠየቃችሁ ጥያቄ የፍሎቲንግ ኦር ፍሎቲንግ ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት ሪጅም ኦር ፍሌክሲብል ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት ሪጅም ዲስአድቫንቴጅ ወይም ጥቅም ያልሆነው correction of imbalance of payment deficit, protection from external shocks, governments are free to pursue other policy, instability and uncertainty facing firms and consumers. ስለዚህ instability and uncertainty facing firms and consumer ሚለ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ ማወቅ ያለባችሁ instability and uncertainty facing firms and consumers is significant disadvantage of floating or flexible exchange rate regime because exchange rate fluctuates freely. Business involved in the international trade face unpredictable costs and revenues. This volatility makes planning difficult and can deter foreign investment. Exports face uncertainty about the foreign currency value of their earnings, while importers face uncertainty about the domestic currency cost of their purchases. Conversely, option A, B, and C represents key advantages of such system, such as automatic balance of payment correction, acting as a stock absorber, and allowing government more policy freedom. ስለዚህ A, B እና C የፍሎቲንግ ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት አድቫንቴጅ ናቸው ማለት ነው። 25ኛ ጥያቄ what is the correct name for decrease in the exchange rate due to market force? Depreciation, devaluation, appreciation, revaluation. The correct name for decreasing in the exchange rate due to market force. ትክክለኛው መልስ ዲፕሪሺዬሽን። ዲፕሪሺዬሽን ምንድን ነው? ዲቫሉዌሽን ምንድን ነው? አፕሪሺዬሽን እና ሪቫሉዌሽን ምንድን ነው የሚለውን በሚገባ መረዳት ያስፈልጋል። ዲፕሪሺዬሽን ሪፈርስ ቱ ዲክሪዝ ኢን ካንትሪስ ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት መቀነስ ነው። This fall in value occurs due to the interplay of supply and demand in the foreign exchange market. It signifies that more units of the domestic currency are now needed to buy 1 unit of foreign currency, unlike devaluation, which is deliberately government policy under fixed exchange rate system. Depreciation is entirely market driven. Appreciation is the opposite, an increase in the currency value, while revaluation refers to deliberately increase under a fixed exchange rate system. Understanding this distinction is crucial for analyzing international economic policy and market movement. Depreciation ምንድን ነው? ዲፕሪሺዬሽን እና አፕሪሺዬሽን በፍሎቲንግ ኦር ፍሌክሲብል ኤክስቼንጅ ሲስተም፣ ዲቫሉዌሽን እና ሪቫሉዌሽን ደግሞ በፊክስድ ኤክስቼንጅ ሬት ምን እንደሚመስሉ ከነትርጉማቸው በሚገባ ማወቅ ይኖርባቸዋል። ይህን ማወቅ ዓለም አቀፍ ምንዛሬን በሚገባ ለመረዳት ያስችላል ማለት ነው። 26ኛ ጥያቄ among the following statements which one is correct about taxation? ስለ ታክሴሽን ከሚከተሉት የትኛው ትክክል ነው? It's the payment made to government to obtain direct benefits in return. It is the compulsory and requited payment to general government. It's payment that individual makes the government if they want. It is the only source of revenue for the government for personal use. ትክክለኛው መልስ it is the compulsory and requited payment to the general government. Option A, C, እና D incorrect definition of taxation. They misrepresent the compulsory nature and purpose of tax collection. 27ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is the main objectives of taxation? የታክሴሽን ሜን ኦብጀክቲቭ ምንድን ነው? Stabilize the economy, minimize income equality, encourage import, reducing regional balance. The correct answer for this question is stabilizing the economy, which means the main object of taxation among the given choice is stabilizing the economy. Taxation serves as a key fiscal policy tool. It is not the monetary policy tool. It is a fiscal policy tool, allowing government to manage aggregate demand in the economy. It helps control inflation by reducing disposable income and can stimulate growth during a recession by influencing spending. This ensures overall economic stability, promoting full employment and sustainable growth, while minimizing income inequality. Is also significant objective of taxation through progressive tax system. Economic stabilization encompasses a broader range of macroeconomic goals, crucial for the nation's welfare. Taxation are generally used to discourage rather than encourage imports through tariffs. 28ኛ in the United Kingdom UK, what is the main objectives of sin tax on products like tobacco? Encouraging administrative efficiency, encouraging consumption, reducing consumption, stabilizing the economy. sin tax ቶባኮ ላይ በዩናይትድ ኪንግደም የሚጣለው ለምን ዓላማ ነው? What's the main objects of sin tax on products like tobacco in the United Kingdom? መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ ስላለ ትክክለኛው መልስ reducing consumption. A sin tax in the United Kingdom applied to products like tobacco is primarily designed to reduce consumption. This tax increases the price of harmful goods, making them less affordable and discouraging their purchase. The objective is to improve public health and reduce the negative externality associated with these products, such as healthcare costs from smoking-related illness and second-hand smoke effects. By making unhealthy choices more expensive, the government aims to alter consumer behavior for societal benefits. This represents a form of Pigovian taxation designed to correct for negative externality in the market. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የሚጠቃቀሱትን ነገሮች በሚገባ መረዳት ይኖርባቸዋል። 29ኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is correct state about tax incidence? It relates to the way the burden of tax is distributed among economic units. It points out who is legally responsible for paying the tax from the income. It is imposing high taxes on high income earners without any consideration. It is the way of discouraging low income earners from paying tax. ለ29ኛው ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ it relates to the way to the burden of tax distributed among economic units. Tax incidence refers to the economic burden of a tax and how it's ultimately distributed. It examines which individual or group truly bears the cost of tax, regardless of who is legally obligated to pay into the government. This burden can be shifted from the initial taxpayers to consumers, workers, or suppliers through change in price or wages. For example, a tax on producers may be passed on the consumers through higher prices, or a tax workers may be borne partly by employees through lower wages. Understanding tax incidence is crucial for analyzing the actual impact of taxation on different economic units and income groups going beyond the stationary assignment of tax liability. ሰላሳኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is the characteristics of feature of a good taxation? ስለ ጉድ ታክሴሽን ፊቸር በመጽሐፋችሁ ላይ ስላለ እንዲሁም በክፍልም ውስጥ የሆኑ የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎችን ተመልክታችሁ ስለተረዳችሁ ማለት ነው የጉድ ታክሴሽን ካራክተሪስቲክስ ፊቸር ወይም ባህሪው ከሚከተሉት አማራጮች የትኛው ነው? It creates income inequality. It is complex and financial inelastic. Enables optimum allocation of resource. It narrows base tax and is lived only on income. ትክክለኛው መልስ it enables optimum allocation of resource. Explain ሲደረግ characteristics features of good taxation system is ability to promote economic efficiency. Option C, it enables optimal allocation of resource. Directly reflects this principle. A well-designed tax system minimizes distortion in economic decision, allowing resource to flow their most productive and efficient uses. It helps ensure that taxation due to not unduly hinder investment, production, or consumption choices. Ultimately, this facilitates overall economic growth and societal well-being. Good taxation should also be equitable, simple, and revenue elastic. Contrary to option A and B, which describes negative characteristics, a broad tax base is generally preferable to narrow one for stable and equity reason. ሰላሳ አንደኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is the focus area of macroeconomic? የማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ የትኩረት መስክ የትኛው ነው? Profit maximization of a corporation, the growth of a firm in the economy, cost minimization of a specific company, inflation caused by different factors. Inflation caused by different factors. Explain ሲደረግ macroeconomic studies overall economy, the whole economy at the national or regional, focused on large-scale aggregate phenomena. This includes like inflation, የዋጋ ግሽበት, unemployment rate, የስራ አጥነት ምጣኔ, and national economic growth, ሀገራዊ ኢኮኖሚ እድገት. Option A, B, and C, profit maximization, firm growth, and cost minimization are concern of የማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ የማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚ ኮንሰርን ናቸው። ትርፍን ማሳደግ፣ የድርጅት እድገት፣ ዋጋን ሚኒማይዝ ማድረግ፣ እነዚህ የማይክሮ ኮንሰርን ናቸው። ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ analyzes individual economic units such as a specific corporation or household. Therefore, inflation being an economy-wide issue that affects the general price level and purchase power across all sectors. It's a core macroeconomic topic. Macroeconomic examines the cause, consequence, and policies related to inflation as part of a study of aggregate economic performance. 32ኛ ጥያቄ in which of the following macroeconomy is different from microeconomics? ከሚከተሉት ውስጥ ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ ከማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ የሚለይበት የትኛው ነው? Studying about the performance of individual firm, studying about the behavior of the aggregate economy, analyzing about the action of individual company, focusing on the specific price of products. ትክክለኛው መልስ studying about the behavior of aggregate economy ሌሎቹ ምንድን ናቸው የሚለውን ስለ ማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ ስናወራ ከማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ የሚለይበት by studying behavior of aggregate economy it examines economy a wide phenomena ብለን like inflation, unemployment, and national income. Option A, C, and D describes microeconomic concept. Microeconomic focus on individual firms, specific markets, or particular product price. Therefore, only B accurately highlights the distinctive scope of macroeconomics, which deals with the economy as a whole rather than its individual components. This distinction is fundamental to understand how economic analysis divided between the study of the individual decision-making units and the study of the overall economy system. ስለዚህ በማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ እና በማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ መካከል ያለውን ልዩነት ሊገልጽ የሚችለው studying about the behavior of the aggregate economy የሚለው እንደሆነ ከተረዳን በኋላ ስለ ማይክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ ኮንሰርኖች ደግሞ በሚገባ ተረድተናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ ጥያቄ በርካታ ነገሮችን እንደተረዳን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። 33ኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is a key challenge of macroeconomics? የማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክስ key challenge ምንድን ነው? Income and consumption part of a given household, the total amount of labors hired by a given industry, the amount of profit earned by a given firm, the number of unemployed people in a given country. ትክክለኛው መልስ the number of unemployed people in a given country የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኦፕሽን ኤ፣ ቢ and C describe issues related to individual households, specific industries, or single firms which are the domain of microeconomics. Unemployment as an aggregate measures in the central to macroeconomic analysis and policy. የማክሮ ኢኮኖሚክ ኪ ቻሌንጅ ከሆነ ውስጥ የተሰጠው የመጨረሻ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 34ኛ ጥያቄ ባላንስ ኦፍ ትሬድ ኦፍ ኤ ካንትሪዝ ዲፈረንስ ቢትዊን ግሮስ ዶሜስቲክ ፕሮዳክት ኤንድ ግሮስ ናሽናል ፕሮዳክት ፕራይቬት ኤንድ ፐብሊክ ቢዝነስ ኤንድ ትራንስፈር ትሬድ ሰርፕለስ ኤንድ ትሬድ ዴፊሲት ኤክስፖርት ኤንድ ኢምፖርት ኤርኒንግ ፍሮም ጉድስ ኤንድ ሰርቪስ። ስለ ባላንስ ኦፍ ትሬድ ስለተማራችሁ በእነዚህ ጥያቄ ውስጥ ደግሞ በርካታ ነገሮችን ትረዳላችሁ። ትክክለኛው መልስ ኤክስፖርት ኤንድ ኢምፖርት የሚለው ነው የሚሆነው። ባላንስ ኦፍ ትሬድ ስንል a country is the crucial difference between total earning from export goods and services and total expenditure on import them. This economic indicator measures the net flow of physical goods and intangible services between a nation and the rest of the world. A positive balance where export exceeds import. Positive balance or trade surplus የምንለው ኤክስፖርት ከኢምፖርት ሲበልጥ known as trade surplus እንለዋለን። Conversely, a negative balance with import exceeding export, it is termed a trade deficit. It reflects significant parts of countries' current account balance and indicates the competitiveness of nations' industries in the international market and its position in global trade relationship. የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ which of the following school of macroeconomic thought was predominantly until the occurrence of Great Depression? Monetarist, Keynesian, classical, new Keynesian. ስለ ሞኒተሪስት፣ ስለ ኬኔዥያን፣ ስለ ክላሲካል፣ ስለ ኒው ኬኔዥያን በደንብ ስለምታውቁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የትኛው ነው ግሬት ዲፕሬሽን የሚለው? ትክክለኛው መልስ ክላሲካል። ኤክስፕሌን ሲደረግ አንቲል ዘ ኦከራንስ ኦፍ ግሬት ዲፕሬሽን፣ እንግዲህ ግሬት ዲፕሬሽን በ1930 ማለት ነው። ክላሲካል ስኩል ኦፍ ቶት ዋዝ ፕሪዶሚናንት። ዘ ስኩል ሩትድ ኢን ዘ አይዲያ ኦፍ አዳም ስሚዝ፣ ዘ ፋዘር ኦፍ ኢኮኖሚስት የምንለው አዳም ስሚዝ እና ዳቪድ ሪካርዶ believe that market naturally tends towards equilibrium and full employment. They advocated for minimal government intervention. አድቮኬት ሲያደርጉ የነበረው ክላሲካል በትንሹም ቢሆን መንግስት ኢንተርቬን ማድረግ አለበት። relying on the invisible hands of the market to allocate resource efficiently. Classical economy believes that the supply creates its own demand. ሳይስ ሎው ምንለው ማለት ነው። ሳይስ ሎው ማለት supply creates its own demand and that unemployment was temporary and would be corrected by wage and price of adjustment. The Great Depression severely challenged this classical assumption, leading to the rise of Keynesian economics as the new paradigm that emphasized government intervention to manage aggregate demand. ስለዚህ በደንብ ማወቅ ያለባችሁ ስለ ሞኔታሪስት፣ ስለ ኬኔጂያን፣ ስለ ክላሲካል እና ኒው ክላሲካል አንደኛው ከሌላኛው እንዴት ይለያል፣ ስኮላርስ ኢኮኖሚስቶቹ እነማን ነበሩ፣ መቼ ላይ ነበር የሚለውን ከተረዳችሁ ተጨማሪ የሆነ እውቀት ይኖራችኋል ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ተማሪዎች ከ1 እስከ 35 የሚደርሱ ጥያቄዎችን አሁን በተከታተላችሁት መሰረት በጋራ ለመስራት እና ለመማማር ጥረት አድርገናል። እናንተ ደግሞ የበለጠ መጽሐፍታችሁን የ9ኛ ክፍልን የ10ኛ ክፍልን የ11ኛ ክፍልን እና የ12ኛ ክፍልን ዋና ዋና የሆኑ ሀሳቦችን እና ተዛማጅነት ያላቸውን ዩኒቶች በሚገባ አንብባችሁ መዘጋጀት ትችላላችሁ። በሌላ ጥያቄ ደግሞ ፓርት 3 ይዤላችሁ ቀርባለሁ። ስላዳመጣችሁ እጅግ አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ።